Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fill your eyebrows, and to get a perfect eyebrows follow this step guys. And to fill my brows I'm going to use pack SuperBrowww Creme in the shade Cedar Creme, and this particular shade will give natural finish to my brows. First step, I'm going to brush my brows to downwards with spoolie and then start lining my upper section of my brows. Second step, I'm going to brush my brows to upward with spoolie and then started lining my lower sections of my brows. Third step is whatever left on your brush, we're going to use that product to fill the eyebrows to make very defect. On the front sections of my brows, lining thin stroke to create hair-like lines. Once I finished filling, I'm brushing my brows with spoolie. Fourth step is I'm going to clean my brows. For that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Golden with flat brush. While cleaning the border, I just lift my brows and then started cleaning border of my brows more precisely. And finally, I'm going to blend all the concealer with brush. Finally, I finished filling my brows, and follow these steps to get natural finish to your eyebrows guys. And see you in next tutorial. Bye.